let's do a mascara review of a viral mascara, and I'm going to be using two. I have not opened it. One is the BLINC Lash Extension Tubing Mascara, and really excited to try this. And then the other one is the BLINC Ultravolume Tubing Mascara. And if you know, I like volume and length. So let's start with the volume side. So I'm opening it. I mean, you guys see this. It's a first time use, and it's a very simple tube. It's kind of liquidy when you pull it out of the tube. Not much smell. And so this is the volume one. And I really was excited to receive this. It was gifted to me. And I mean, it's funny, my lashes look like they have length to them and volume, so I could probably get away with just using this, but I'm bougie and special. I want to try the lengthening, and I like to do that when my lashes are still wet. I don't like going in with the second coat when everything has dried down. So I just opened it. Same concept. Okay, this pulls a little different than the first one. This has more of a tug. I'm going back in on this eye. You can hear the difference between the tubes. This one is definitely liquid. It feels like it's more wet, I guess is what I should say. I like this brush. It's not a silicone brush. This is a fiber brush. So that's where I think with a volume mascara, I feel like this is the type of wand that they always use. And I wanted to do this in real time so you all can see that I'm not altering anything, or and they don't pay me to say anything. So all right, let's try the lengthening. And remember, this is not my good side, I should say. All right. Va-va-voom. That's amazing. Now I think I'll just use this on the bottom because the wand, I think, is going to be easier to get into those lower lashes. That is pretty dang amazing. It's BLINC mascara. My hair and my makeup is finished, and I am in love with this BLINC mascara. Run, don't walk to get this mascara. It is so good, and I will see you the next time.